Hello everyone, welcome back to my series of home decor. Today's video is all about giving my mom dad's balcony a makeover. To provide us with all the necessities and comfort, my mom dad have always lived a simple and a middle class life with no desire of their own. Growing up, I always had this one thing on my mind that I would never let them feel that they have no son. I will be their backbone forever. During this pandemic, my dad decided to reconstruct their 50 years old house to a brand new house. They have always dreamt of a beautiful house, and now, when finally it is the time, I wanted to decorate for them. So I'm starting off with the balcony. This wooden plant holder and 4 sets of indoor plants were ordered from Amazon. If you want to know the in-depth review of it, do check out my Amazon haul linked above. These indoor plants not only requires less care, but they also have some significance of their own. Money plant and jade are the best plants to bring fortune, health and prosperity to your home. On the other hand, snake plant and syngonium are best used as an air purifier. They absorbs excessive amount of carbon monoxide presence in the air, and they makes your environment fresh and healthy. My mom have helped me a lot in this balcony decor video. She have made this beautiful boho art piece and it is looking so good among my other little babies. She have used 3 wooden sticks and a jute rope, and she tied the jute rope around the wooden sticks in a spider web form, and in the end she used a macram thread to sort of enhance the overall look of this masterpiece. I have also made this beautiful tassel wall hanging. This is a very simple piece and it looks so beautiful in your simple balcony wall. All you need is a cardboard, a jute string and some wool. I have made lots of colorful tassels with the help of this rectangle cardboard. You can simply follow my method to do the same, and you can use this tassels anywhere for home decor purpose. find pleasure in simple things. This piece of art was totally going with the vibe of my balcony. I have also added a small glass piece in the end to make it more attractive. This round rug has also been made by my mom. This is inspired by those big jute rugs which are available on Amazon. We wanted to keep this in low budget, so she used her old sari and knitted it in a circular form. I wanted to keep my Christmas tree on top of this, and which I did. But later, my pug liked this rug a lot, so nowadays he is using it more than the Christmas tree. There is still work to be done in some parts of the balcony, such as POP in the wall, but I could not wait much, so I pasted on some handmade paintings by my mom's students on the cemented area of the wall, and it was looking amazing. Next, I have kept this old wooden sofa in the balcony, which was of no use to my mom-dad now. If you want, you can totally modify the color of the old furniture you are adding onto your balcony. I have kept a bigger plant beside the sofa, and the cemented pot you are seeing is also made by my mom. I wanted to color it, but because of this COVID situation, I could not find any oil color. It will look more good if you paint it with any color. I have also made these hanging planters with macram thread. They are very simple to make and they add so much into your balcony space. On one planter I have kept a matka with water for birds, and on second planter I have kept a money plant. So this is almost it. Here is a before and after of the balcony makeover. I have also added some fairy lights to this space, and during night it is looking so magical. I'll make a modified video of this balcony once the remaining construction part is finished. So stay tuned with me on the series of home decor. I will be making more decor videos for my parents' place. So do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon for getting update whenever I upload a new video. So until then, see you next time.